Tutorial Tim here, and I'm going to show you how to create a completely free website with a free domain name, free hosting, and it'll last about 12 months. So it's a year free hosting and domain name before these websites prompt you to get to pay for it, and it's actually rather cheap after your 12 months are up. Just want to let you guys know ahead of time. So to get started, what I like to do is I like to open up I'll get your Gmail open that you're going to use to host this, create your host account and your domain name account, and you're going to go to two websites. Both links will be in the description. Feel free to click on them rather than typing them. A little bit faster for you guys. Go to myfreenom.com and also hostinger.co.uk, depending on where you live. The address might be different. So anyways, we're going to start off on Freenom, and it's as easy as signing in with your Google account or your Facebook or your Windows Live account. I just use my Google account. So I'm going to click on Google, and it's going to request permissions to get view your email address and basic profile info. So just click allow, nothing serious, and it'll sign you in. And then when you sign in, you're going to want to go to services, register a new domain, and you're going to choose your desired domain name. You're going to be able to check the availability to see if you can use it, and I'm just going to use Nature's West, and I'm going to click check availability, and then from there you'll see all these are free. So select the one you wish to use. I already selected this one, so I'm going to click get it now. It's going to check to see if it's available, and then it'll say one domain in cart. And then once you have your desired domain, click checkout, and then from checkout you're going to want to select you see where it says 3 months at free. Scroll down, go to 12 months at free, and then click use DNS, and then we're going to apply IP addresses. Actually, we're going to apply IP addresses and name servers in here, but now we're going to go to Hostinger. So in my description, feel free to click on hostinger.co.uk or just type it in your web browser, and the main page should look just like this. And then from there you're going to want to click get started, and then you're going to select the free plan right here. If you want to drop some dough, go ahead, but this is free. So click ordering something that's free. That sounds great. And then you're going to click checkout now, and then create new account if you haven't already. And I'm actually just going to sign up with Google, a lot faster. Saves my hand some typing, so that's nice. And it's going to ask for the general info of that email account. And I'm just going to click allow, and then once that's loaded, you just have to click I agree right here, and it'll agree right here as well. And you click complete order, and now once the shopping cart is done loading, it'll say congrats, you're almost done. You have to set up your new orders before use. So what you're going to want to do, we've got the Hostinger set up, we've got Freenom set up, you already have an account, you created it. Now you're going to go back to your home page and click setup. Well, actually you're just going to click setup from here, and then you're going to click domain, leave as is, and then the domain name you have, you're going to go back here and you're going to grab your host name. I'm going to click Command C or right click and copy, and then I'm actually going to go back to Hostinger, paste my domain name, I'm going to click Europe, whatever's prompted there, just click it depending on where you live, and then I'm going to have my password, and then I'm going to click setup, and then let that bad boy load. And then from there you're going to want to go to, I believe it is hosting, and then you're going to click on your domain name, let it load. The plan's free, and then from there and now actually from here you're going to go to your email, and then it says server activated hosting. Now click go to member area in your email. So you should get an email after creating your account, and also an email from Freenom saying that you got your DNS, you got your stuff all set up, it's good to go. So the main thing you want to do here is go to hosting your email. It should say service activated hosting, and then you're going to want to click on this go to member area button. And now that I've already clicked it, it took me I'm actually going to click it again, and it's going to take you here. So it's going to take you to hosting accounts, and then you're going to want to, let's see, from here, you're going to go to your domain name, click on your domain name, click manage, and then once that loads, you're going to go to details under account, and now you have all these details. So what we're going to need here is ns1.hostinger.co.uk and ns2.hostinger.co.uk. So I'm going to copy and paste this because we're going to go back to Freenom, and we're going to paste this into use your own DNS, the page we left open, and ns1 will go here, and then I'm going to grab the IP address. So I'm going to go to my IP address. It's right here, copy it. I hit Command C to copy it faster than right clicking for me, and then Command V to paste. Now I'm going to grab the second name server. Whoops, I'm going to close that. And then I'm going to grab my second name server, go back, Command V to paste, go back, grab the IP address to that. So I was basically just repeating that. Now that I have all that, you can double check the details if you want, just to make sure nothing's messed up. And then you're going to click continue. And then from here, you're going to want to fill out some basic info, like the company name, like the address. I'm going to fill this out. And then just click agree, and then complete order. And now, thank you for your order confirmation. You'll receive an email shortly. So I'm gonna go back to my email. I opened a new tab. I'm just gonna click on Gmail. And for some of you, it actually might take a minute or two to pop up on your email. We'll see where I'm at. So order confirmation has been complete or shown. We're gonna go to hosting accounts. We're gonna go to Hostinger, and then we're gonna click on hosting, and then once that loads, we're going to click on our domain name, and we're going to click auto installer. And then once auto installer loads, we're going to scroll down, and we're going to go to we're going to install WordPress. So we're actually going to go, just gotta click on WordPress here. And it's very simple. All you got to do is create a username. Mine's going to be this, and create your password for it as well, and then give it a title. And I'm just going to label it this, just like that. And then if you want, you can add a tagline, and then from there, make sure everything looks correct to you, and then click install. There's also details on the installation below, the features of the version of the WordPress you installed. And it says the installation request has been submitted successfully. Please refresh this page in a few moments. Okay, so now it's been a few moments, if you ask me. I'm just going to hit Command R to refresh on my Mac. And then now it has been refreshed, and it says I have the installed version of WordPress. It's all good to go. And now that we've installed that, I'm going to go to my Gmail and refresh that. And you will get an email, and it says WordPress installed, and it might be in your spam. I actually found this in my spam. I thought that was weird. And it's right here, and then it'll give you your administrator username and your email, and you should know your password. And from there you can actually go to, you're going to want to save this. I don't know, I like to bookmark it. So it'll give you the link of your website, which is the top link, and then this is the administrator page where you can edit. And I'm going to show you how to actually add a theme. And then once you're logged in, I'll show you how to install the theme, and then it should direct you to your dashboard. So it'll be the website, wp-admin, and then from here I'm going to go to appearance, and I'm going to go to themes, because right now we don't have anything up. And you can actually search installed themes, but I'm just going to keep it basic. You can click add new theme, but I'm just going to go to theme details. You can get a live preview of your theme if you'd like. And here's a live preview of it. Just check it out, see if that'll fit the blog site, the blogging website you wish to have, or just WordPress website you wish to have. And sorry, it's taking a while to load, but here, as you can see, prompts you on what you could edit and stuff. And here's your main menu, like your hamburger menu, and your content on the right. Nice little two column layout. Yeah, so I'm gonna click on this theme, and I'm going to click activate. Very simple vlog website that I'm going to use. And then once it's activated, it'll let you know you can customize it. So now that your theme is activated, click visit site, and it'll take you to the name of your website, .ml or whatever you used